Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for this video because I've just been in a phase where I've just been really into lip products and lip combos in general, especially lip liners. A lot of these are very affordable ones too. Some of the drugstore lip liners these days are, in my opinion, like better than the high-end ones. This is my lip liner collection at the moment. I have a good amount and I bought all of them with my own money. This angle is kind of weird because you can barely see my shirt, but I swear I'm wearing a shirt. The first lip combo that I'm doing, I'm starting with this lip liner by Sephora. So this is actually Sephora's new line of lip liners. This is the 8-Hour Colorful Transfer Proof Lip Liner in the shade 14 Muted Brown. It's essentially just kind of a dark pinky brown. So I'm gonna pair this liner with this lip oil from e.l.f. This is the Glow Reviver Lip Oil in the shade Rose Envy. These lip oils have gotten so popular lately. I can really vouch for them because these are really just great dupes for the Dior lip oil. I actually like these better. Dior has like better packaging obviously, but in terms of formula, I actually like these better. And that is the first lip combo. I love just a darker brown lip line with a redder center. I think it's just so gorgeous. For my next lip combo, I'm starting out with Maybelline. These lifter liners, oh my god guys, like they are trendy on TikTok and for a really good reason because these lip liners are amazing, like so long lasting. Probably one of the most long lasting lip liners I've ever tried and extremely creamy. And the shades are really beautiful. So this one is my favorite shade from the whole collection. It's Big Lift. And I'm going to be pairing this with the Roman Glasting Color Gloss in the shade Grapey Way. It gives a good amount of pigment, as you can see. And that is the lip combo. This one is more, you know, grapey, cool tone, purpley, and I just think it's so beautiful and it actually lasts quite a long time. When I wore it all day, I literally only had to reapply it like one time, so it's definitely one of my top choices. Alright, so moving on to the next lip combo. This one is another Maybelline Lifter Liner. This is in the shade On It. This one's more of a neutral brownie lip liner, perfect for a nude lip, and so that's kind of what this lip combo is going for. This one is perfect for if you're neutral toned or warm toned. I don't know if I would recommend this shade if you're on the cool tone side of things, but oh my god, these formulas just apply so beautifully. So I'm going in with a nude lip gloss to complement the lip liner. So I'm using the Fui 3D Voluming Gloss in Vanilla 70%. Oh my god. This is the most perfect everyday nude lip combo. I love it so much. I just look so clean, girl, and put together right now. It's perfect. It's perfect. This is another drugstore lip liner find. This is the Rimmel Lasting Finish lip liner in the shade Miss Mauve. And so this is a more purpley, mauvey, a little bit deeper lip liner. And I'm gonna be pairing this with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Stick in the shade Icy Amethyst. Can you see that shine? This is more of like a night out, clubbing, even date night if you're going to some cool event. She is that girl. Nobody does it like Fenty Beauty. They have just the best glosses. So this next lip combo is actually a 3-step lip combo, and I'm using the iconic Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat lip liner in the shade Pillow Talk Medium. Honestly, formula-wise, it's good. I don't know about great. It's not as pigmented as some of my other drugstore ones, and I don't know, like the payoff isn't as nice in my opinion, but the main appeal of this is honestly just the shade. Like the shade is gorgeous. I haven't been able to find like an exact replica of this shade in the drugstore. There are definitely similar ones, but if you want like the exact same undertone and everything like that, like Pillow Talk Medium is so beautiful. So beautiful. And that's why I love this one and I still use it. As you can see, with that one swipe, compared to the other ones that I did earlier, like where's the pigment? You know what I mean? You have to go over it a few times. And compared to the Maybelline lip liners, it also doesn't apply smoothly. Alright, so that is Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Medium. Very pretty, very beautiful. We're gonna go a little bit bougie on this one because she is not cheap. So we're gonna also go in with a lipstick that is very much not cheap. But this is the Rouge Dior lipstick in the shade 434 Promenade. I've had this for years, but I didn't want to like use it up, so I've just really been like saving it. But this lipstick It's so creamy, it's so moisturizing. To me, lipstick is one of those things, like, as much as I love drugstore makeup, I can't find a formula in the drugstore that matches the high-end ones. So lipstick is the one thing I will splurge on. Whenever I buy drugstore lipsticks, they're always just a little bit too thick, a little bit too drying. I'm doing like the lightest swipes ever, and it's giving the most silky, satiny color payoff, and it doesn't feel thick at all. Like, it doesn't dry out my lips in the slightest. Like, forget their lip oil. Don't buy their lip oil, honestly, guys. Like, if you're gonna buy Dior, buy their lipstick. Because lip oils, get this, but for lipsticks, like, it's so hard to find like an amazing drugstore formula for lipsticks. If you know of one, let me know. Like, I've tried the L'Oreal ones, the Revlon ones, e.l.f. They're all just like a little bit underwhelming to me, but already you can stop here. Like, I just love it so much. But if you want to finish it off with a gloss, what gloss should I go with? I would go for any that's like more nudie clearish. So I might go in with this YSL one. This one was sent to me from PR. It is really gorgeous. So this is the YSL Love Shine Plumping Lip Gloss. So this one's plumping. It's tingly. It's in the shade 44. So gorgeous, so juicy. I really like these lip glosses. It feels more like a lip oil, but it also has like a bit more of a thickness to it, like a gloss, but it's not sticky at all. I prefer my lip glosses to be non-plumping because I don't always want that like tingly sensation, but it's definitely gorgeous. For this next lip combo, I'm going a little bit more K-beauty style, and I'm not going to use a lip liner. I'm going to be starting out with this lip tint from Romand. This is the shade 22 Pomelo Skin. It's a really beautiful nudie color, and so I like to put this all over my lips, but more in the middle because that's more K-beauty style, to do more of a darker shade on the inside of the lips and have kind of like an ombre effect towards the outside. So I always like to blend this out with my finger. I've also heard some stuff on TikTok about this lip tint, how some people think that like it's drying. Weird to me because I don't find it drying in the slightest. Like, maybe if you, I guess, leave it here and don't go in with anything, like not even a lip balm. If you're like going outside, if it's windy, if you're in the winter, then I get it. But like, I feel like it's a lip tint, like it's not supposed to be glossy or balmy in itself, right? Otherwise, how would it be long lasting? And I'm gonna finish this off with a gloss from Tower 28. This is the Shine On Lip Jelly in the shade Magic. It's a little bit shimmery, it has some gold specks in there, but it's not like too glittery or anything like that. If you haven't tried the Tower 28 glosses, you are missing out, for real, because these are some of the best formulas ever, in my opinion, for lip glosses. I would say like top 3 I've ever tried for sure in terms of formula. They feel so light and beautiful, and it's not as expensive as most of the other lip glosses at Sephora too. So that is her. No lip liner, just a tint and a gloss, and it's pretty long lasting because it's a tint once again, and yeah, it's kind of fun to reapply glosses anyway, so I don't really expect them to be super long lasting, but yeah, super pretty. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys one last lip combo before I head off today, and I'm gonna be using 2 products from the same brand, and that is the brand called Fui. This is the Fui pudding pot that was super viral. So you can buy these little like applicators. It's like a super squishy silicone applicator. You don't need it, you can use your finger, but this is supposed to like mimic a finger in case you don't want to like get your fingers dirty. This is actually the blush that I'm wearing today, so I like to do like a little matching moment with the lips. It's a very powdery texture. I wouldn't wear this on its own. I would feel like this is drying, so I start with that, and then I'm going in with, do they not just have the cutest packaging? This is the Fui Jelly Pot in the shade Sugar Coat. I think I forgot to say the shade of this other one. This is My. It's just MY for this. I use this little finger brush once again and add that layer of the shine. And this is a really nice formula. It literally feels like jelly. Not sticky in the slightest. And this lip combo, it just feels very light on my lips. Like, it's not too pigmented. K-beauty products in general just aren't that pigmented compared to the ones in the West. It smells amazing. It smells like candy. They're supposed to resemble little candies, if you didn't know, and it smells just like it. I love the smell of this. The smell of lip products like actually matters a lot to me because obviously like you're smelling it all the time. If it smells bad, it really deters me from using it. And that is the end of the video. These are all of my all-time favorite lip combos that I love doing right now. Let me know which one was your favorite, and if you have any recommendations, oh my god, please let me know. Like, honestly, you probably shouldn't let me know because I'm just gonna keep buying stuff and I need to save money, but also let me know because I'm always looking to find great products, great new deals. I love when I find an amazing drugstore find, and also, yeah, let me know what your favorite lip combos are in different shades. I know a lot of these were like kind of neutrals, nothing too like crazy. And if you have some of your own like more fun, crazy lip combos, please let me know too, because I definitely want to expand my like color collection. And yeah, I hope you like this video. It was super fun for me to film. I don't know, I'm very passionate about lip products right now, as you can probably tell. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!